Okay, first of all, I just want to show you these guys. I just got them from my boyfriend and I love them and I just want to share my happiness with you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Okay, let's start. Sorry, let's start. I will be showing you how to remove overblown parts and make them look as good as possible. So the way to go for that is so simple. You just have to take down the highlights all the way. Did you see that? And to enhance it even more, you can go to this tool, brush tool. Just paint over where you want to do changes, and you can either do Command Control O or just click on here so you see where you are selecting. And then what I'm gonna do is that I am going to double click on the effect so that I have all the settings set to 0, and then turn down the highlight even more. And if I want, I can just, turn up the saturation a little more and take down. Oh, I'll just leave the white. So there we go. This is what it looked like before. There we go. Before and after. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.